YouTube, I'm a tech friend from Techizzy. Hope you guys are safe and keeping social distances. So today I'm going to talk about the Google Meet app and how you can join the meeting, how you can create the meeting, and everything about it. So let's not waste your time and let's go to the app. And if you are new here, please do subscribe. It would be a great help, and you can say anything, or if you have any recommendation you can comment down below. Thank you so much. Here I am on my phone screen. Let's open the Play Store and search for Google Meet. So as I have installed the Google Meet, I'm going to just open it, but you have to install it first. Now this is the layout when you open the app for the first time. Press the continue to proceed and then allow the app to record your audio, video and photos. Here you have to select your Gmail account and then you are in the Google Meet app. Now go to the setting and you can turn on this option. It's okay to turn on, and here you can select your Google account if you have another account or more than 2 accounts. You can also manage your account here. Now you can turn off or on your microphone with this button and turn off or on your video with this button. There is a speaker icon in the top right corner. If you click that icon and you get these options: speaker, phone, audio off and cancel. If you put it on speaker, it will be on loudspeaker. If you put it on phone, it would be simply phone. And if you want no audio, you can turn off audio. Now clicking on new meeting, you can create a meeting like this. As you can see, I have created a meeting, and now I have a link that I can share in the social media, or I can share it via Gmail or Facebook or Messenger, or I can message someone. Here you have a simple layout. You can see how many people have joined, and there is 3 options in here. One is microphone, one is video call, and in the middle it's to cut the call. You can turn off and on your microphone. You can turn off and on your video call with these buttons. There is a speaker icon on the top just like before, and there is a caption icon. If you turn on, the caption would be shown under the screen just like it's showing right now. What I'm saying, it's showing the caption. I will turn off the caption, and there is some settings. You can switch camera. Like, let me show you how to switch. Here's my front camera. If you switch camera, you will turn to back camera of your phone. Okay, so let's just start. Now as you can see, you can turn off caption from here also. You can present your screen by clicking this start presenting, allow, and then whatever you are doing would be presented to all the other who have joined the meeting. Below that you can see some other options like report a problem, report abuse, or help. Now if you go to the next page or next icon, where you can actually write a text and send it. So now everyone can see your text who have joined the meeting. And on the next page you can see your link, which you can share from here, or you can even take a screenshot and send it to your friend and he will join it. Now let me show you how to join Google Meet. So you have to find the link. You have to get the link, invitation link. Maybe it may be given to you by email, or you can find it on Messenger or by Hangout. The person who created the meeting will be able to share you the link via email. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the Google Meet app. Here you go. Now you have to ask to join. Click ask to join. The person who have created the meeting will accept, and you will be joined to the meeting. Now you can see there is 2 person. That's just another account of mine. So here you have some options that I want to show you. So now clicking on the other accounts icon, you can see 3 options. One is to pin him on the display. Second is to you can actually off their microphone by clicking, but as the other person has created the meeting, so I can't turn off right now. And using the third icon, you can actually remove someone from the meeting. So here is a bonus tip for you guys. So now go to the option and start presenting screen. Now open your Play Store and search for whiteboard. Now just install this app called Whiteboard. It's from Hero Studio. As I've installed it, I'm just going to open it. Now give all the permissions. Allow the permissions. And here you go. You got a virtual whiteboard that you can customize, write down in it, and take classes. You can take classes, write something, draw something. Hope you guys like my video and find it useful. Give a thumbs up.